think I put any perks on.
Which one are you using?
What's up?
Which gun are you using?
A sniper rifle. That fucking guy that was just standing in there, and then I fucking went in there and I shit on him. I
We're
killed
only
him
as
4
good as
times
our
in a
intel.
row.
Let's go. Prime, you in this all the way? Alright, let's go. Let's do this. I'm gonna go cap A, you guys go for B. I'm capping it. Go, 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 go.
Hey, locked down.
Wow, I've never seen that before. Okay. That guy's still using Ajax.
Deploying laser wire. Taking B.
I heard him too.
Be secure. We've pulled ahead.
Oh shit, okay, I know where they are.
Securing Charlie. Losing Bravo.
Tactical reinforcement available.
Fuck is that thing using?
Taking Charlie.
Oh, oh, you had to have
All
heard that.
locations locked down. Dig in and hold them.
Oh,
UAV data link.
that keeps hurting.
Losing B.
They're done.
Losing Charlie. We lost C.
Establish UAV data link.
Taking C. All locations secured. Hold your positions. Losing B. Losing C. Enemy took Bravo.
TACOM.
Oh.
Control of loiter asset.
It's as good as ours. Keep it tight by the numbers. Enemy tactical. deploy beacon destroyed. Friendly TAC deploy beacon offline. Losing Charlie. Halftime.
How you doing? You're shitting on these kids right now.
Yeah. But I should have
Stay in
more
the zone.
kills.
We're going round again.
Dang, relax, homo. At least kill him.
That wasn't even the guy. Like,
Yeah.
that guy was from our own team.
Secure the
I
objective.
just aimed for the head. That's
And yeah, you couldn't kill him.
that's all I do.
Securing
is
Charlie.
aim for the head.
C locked down. We're winning this. Enemy has Alpha.
Oh,
Move up.
good job, dude. I'll give you that. That was actually a good shot. Oh, but so was that. So was that. Damn, we're just pinning them down, homo.
Losing C.
Care package available.
Our TAC deploy beacon is offline.
Oh, he got me. Like, where am I at? Where am I at?
Wire in place.
In the turn, sensors are capture your objective.
Seraph authorizing sniper's nest deployment.
Send time check.
Oh fuck! They're spawning right here.
I got bomber. I got bomber.
Fuck! Use guns to protect my shit. Homie. Remember, press Y to change out weapon. Press Y to change out. You remember that, right?
What?
Press Y to change out.
Yeah, yeah.
Combatants down.
Get him out. Get him out.
Go in on him. Go in on him. We got him. We got him. We got him.
Bad guy down.
Are you getting him?
Splash.
Yeah.
Keep going, homie. Keep going.
Where are they? Where are they?
Confirmed. 2 hostiles down.
Where are they? Where are they?
No movement. They're down.
Get him out. Get him out. Oh my god, homo. I went in deep.
Taking B. That's all she wrote.
I went in deep.
Lima Charlie, Surgeon 2-2.
Setting up sentry. Our TAC deploy beacon has been destroyed. Hostile
Alright.
TAC deploy beacon online. Enemy took B. Enemy TAC deploy beacon destroyed.
Not letting him take Bravo because he can actually come back.
Taking
on us.
Bravo.
I'm coming. I'm coming. 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 Coming.
Bravo locked down.
I would have left it by itself, but they can actually come back.
No.
Losing B.
No.
Enemy.
Oh, I
Laser
choked
wire.
that. Man, this was going straight to YouTube after we're done playing. This is like. Oh!
Losing Bravo. Taking Alpha. Losing B. Our attack deployed beacon is offline. All locations locked down. Dig in and hold them.
Backup. Establish
Losing
attack
Charlie.
chopper above.
UAV above, commencing surveillance operations.
It's as good as ours. Finish strong.
UAV perimeter established. Angels 10.
Oh,
Care
I'm gonna drop
package
this care
available for
package.
tasking.
This'll knacker someone's day.
Losing Charlie.
No!
Mission objectives green across the board.
This guy's got fucking
Oh,
destroyed.
that guy with the shotgun did not have a chance in this map.
Hell no.
6 and 31, 9 and 27, 18 and 20. Oh, that guy went positive. And this guy went negative. Holy cow, homo. Our team went super positive.
Tell you, well, after 2 games, I knew what these bitches were gonna do, and I fucked them up this time.
So, yeah, homo. Dude, that bomber. I had a 3.0 in that game. Again, militia, homo. Militia. What firing range? Firing range it is.
Oh, they left. I sent them a message why they leave. So.